today's video, I want to tell you 5 types of engine. 5 different types of engine. 1. Inline engine or straight engine. 2. V engine, opposed piston engine, radial engine, and boxer engine. These are the 5 engines I'm going to tell you right in this video. Are you ready? Let's go straight down to number 1. The number 1 engine I'm going to mention is the most common one, which is inline engine, or mostly called straight engine. It's a conventional engine type with all cylinders placed in a straight line. It has a very simple design arranged in this form: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. That is a straight engine. You can see it right on your screen. That is a straight engine. The second one I'm going to mention is your V engine. This is another typical example of internal combustion engine. It consists of 2 cylinders, usually with the same number of cylinders in the bank. It has 2 banks. The arrangement forms an acute or right angle. And what is the advantage of V engine? It shortens the length of the crankshaft and saves space. That is why V engine was majorly designed. It saves space. It will prevent the engine to overlong, so that, and it will give you more capacity, more cylinder, because it is arranged in a way whereby instead of 1 bank on 2 banks, you can see it on the screen. That is your V engine. It's another typical example of internal combustion engine. Number 3 is opposed piston engine. Opposed piston engine is engine that uses 2 crankshafts at the opposite end. The engine has 2 pistons moving in opposite direction in the same cylinder. 2 pistons share the same cylinder, moving at opposite direction, controlled by 2 crankshafts. This type of engine, there is no cylinder head, there is no engine valve. There's a way it operates. I've done a video on a opposed piston engine, but if you want me to do a detailed video on how opposed piston engine works, you can go to the comment section. Tell me, Mr. Engine, do more video on how opposed piston engine works. Then I'm going to do that right away. Then we have radial engine. Radial engine. You can see it on the screen. It's another type of internal combustion engine. It's commonly used in aircraft, having a cylinder fixed radially around a rotating crankshaft. It is mounted in a circle around the crankshaft, sometimes in banks of 2 or more. It has a shorter crankshaft, simple design, and creates less vibration. As you can see on the screen, this engine you are looking at is called a radial engine. Radial engine is a type of engine used mostly in aircraft. And the 5th one I'm going to mention now is boxer engine. As the name implies, it is called boxer because the movement of the engine piston resembles the movement of the engine piston in horizontal plane. Some boxer engine moves in the same direction and some are the opposite direction, but it's quite different from opposed piston engine. Every piston has its own crank pin. Cars that uses boxer engine are Porsche, Subaru, Toyota, and other cars that uses boxer engine. It is quite different from opposed piston engine. In opposed piston engine, 2 pistons share a cylinder, but in a boxer engine, 1 cylinder used by 1 piston. So they are quite different, but the movement can be the same, but that is the difference between 2 of them. And a boxer engine acts a cylinder head, unlike opposed piston engine. These are the 5 common type of engine. Don't forget, inline engine, which is straight engine. We have V engine, opposed piston engine, radial engine, and boxer engine. In another video, I will do each video to tell you details about each of those engines. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching me. See you in my next video. Mr. Engine.